Hey y'all, Tammy here with Vintage Uprising Texas. Welcome to my channel. Today I am hosting my first resellers collab called the PEDDLERS Train Sale. And we have 9 other great resellers that are joining us today, and it's going to be every 30 minutes. You'll get on that train and hop over to the next station. First, starting with me, join my sale, and then every 30 minutes, next will be at 2:30 is Sugar Britches, sweet ass stuff. 3 o'clock we got VintageVinny. At 3:30 we have Martha from VintageConversation. At 4 o'clock we have TheThrillofTheThrift. At 4:30 we have Scott from the Old Curiosity Shop joining us. At 5 we have David. Yes, David. He's going to be doing his own drop sale because it's cool. We have at 5:30 vintagepeepshowagogo, Margot. At 6 o'clock we have TheTravelingCrafter. And 6:30 Lucinda Walker, aka Fantastic Finds. We all did a pre-recorded video, and all you have to do is be the first one to claim an item in the comments below. And if you do so, please be sure to send your information to them. Your name, your YouTube name, your address, and your PayPal information so they can invoice you for what you have claimed. Now I will have all that listed in the description below where you can just click and go straight over to the next train station there. So be sure to go check everybody out, and if you're not already subscribed to them, please do consider. And show everybody some love by leaving a comment and just telling them what you like best out of their sale, or just saying, hey, I was here. Now I hope everybody enjoys the train ride. And again, remember, like, comment, and subscribe. And now here is my first item. My first item here is a telephone planter, a yellow telephone ceramic planter. You could also use it for knickknacks, you know, holding pens, a note card or something, and set near your phone, even though most of us are on cell phones nowadays. But this ceramic planter is yellow. I have a little fake little plant in it. It does have a little nick right here in the paint. It is a hobbyist piece, I do believe, because there's no maker model on the bottom of it. And it is about 9.5 inches tall. And this will be $13, number one. $13, number one. Here we have a hobbyist piece of a frog planter with a wide open mouth, the eyes on the back. He's kind of leaning over. It is signed on the bottom. He's got a nice green glaze to him. Very cute piece. It is signed on the bottom. So I believe it's a hobbyist piece. And he will be $20, number 3. $20, number 3. Here we have some vintage golden plastic candle clip-on ornaments from the late 60s, 70s. There are 8 of them. They're on this gold tin clip-on with no markings on it. Has this nice drip glitter down the side. Very nice shiny gold pearl-like clip-ons. A total of 8 for $35, number 9. $35, number 9. Here we have a Toso, Japan ceramic kitty cat. It is 5.5 inches tall with blue eyes, the calico markings. Just a pretty large kitty cat, and he does have his sticker on the bottom. and he will be $10, number 7. $10, number 7. Okay, here we have a ceramic rooster. He's 9 inches wide, 8.5 inches tall, with a nice glaze. He does have some weight on him. No markings. He does have a line right here, and I think that was in the manufacturer because there's leads nowhere. But nice little heavy rooster, and he will be $14, number 5. $14, number 5. Here we have a 70s gold dream tree sculpture with dangly leaves, gold foil-like leaves, like a bonsai type of tree. It is about 8.5 inches tall. I remember this as a kid. We had one of these. It has a felt bottom, and they just shine in the light. In the wind, they blow. But this dream tree sculpture is going to be $22, number 15. $22, number 15. Now here is one of my favorites. I just love these type of purses. This is a 60s, 70s faux leather shoulder bag with embroidery butterflies on the front. It is just a fabulous piece. I just remember these when I was young, my mother carrying one. Very clean. It has a zipper on the outside here. It has 2 large open pockets with a little inside flip pocket and another zipper pocket on the inside there. It has the just toggle switch lock and then another outside pocket here. The purse itself is 11 inches wide and 9 inches tall, and with the strap it is 16.5 inches long from the top of the strap to the purse. And this fabulous 70s faux leather purse is going to be $30, number 11. $30, number 11. Here we have 3 ceramic Asian glasses or vases. A lot of people think they are vases, but they are glasses. They are hand painted and signed. These 2 are signed. I don't think the yellow one is signed. They are glazed on the inside and out, but you could use them as vases as well. They are 7.5 inches tall, and they have these beautiful designs on the side as well. They're all different, very unique, as in the face or the body. And these will be $38, number 13. $38 for the set, number 13. Here we have a Sadler Yellow Rose Sugar and Creamer set from England. It stacks on top for your creamer and then your sugar. So you don't need a lid because it would stack on top. It does have some crazing in it. There is some crazing. Here's your mark. And you can see the crazing on it. Beautiful rose, gold trim, sugar and creamer. $14, number 23. Here we have a cookie jar or a cookie jug. It is a McCoy ceramic olive green cookie jug. It has the shape of a jug with the handle of the jug, even with the cork on top. A ceramic cork, that is. Very nice piece. Here's the bottom. Cookie jug. It will be $15, number 19. $15, number 19. It stands about 12 inches tall. Now here is one of my personal favorites. It is a spaghetti string glasses and pitcher. Now I have this whole set. I have a set of 8 glasses and roly-polies as well. And when I see them, I pick them up because I just love them so much. They have a nice rubber grip to them so they don't slip out of your hand. This one has a little bit of looseness at the lip of it, right there. But everything else is in good shape. Nice colors. You get the 4 glasses and pitcher, all for $32, number 21. $32, number 21. Next we have up the Topsy Turtle from Avon. It's a floating soap dish with the soap. Now the soap isn't wrapped, but it hasn't been used, but it has been dropped and chipped. Look at the little turtle on there. And a mushroom from Avon. And the little plastic floating turtle with the box. Now, and the soap fits nicely inside the little turtle, and he floats in the tub. And what's also great about this, getting the box, if you're a junk journaler, that would be so fun to use that box in junk journaling. So this is probably from the 70s, I do believe 70s. The Avon Topsy Turtle will be $12, number 24. $12, number 24. So now here we have a Brock Park platter, serving platter with the wheat around it. It's that melamine plastic. It's an oversized platter, 21 by 15. Great for your holidays, serving a turkey or just tons of hors d'oeuvres. Cut up a brisket to put on here. It does say Brock Park on the back here. But perfect platter for those big occasions. And this will be $20, number 25. $20, number 25. Now, here I'm taking a chance bringing these to a drop sale. I do have these listed. These are Bjorn Wimblad Rosenthal Tulip Candlesticks. Smoky glass, clear stems, bubble base, beautiful candlesticks. The smallest one is 7 inches tall. The next one is 10, then 13.5 inches, 15, and then 21 is the largest. These are very elegant and beautiful candle holders. You see the bubble stem, bubble bottom, and the smoky glass. These are very beautiful candlesticks. There is a total of 5, and these will be $210, number 27. $210, number 27. Okay, next I have up is a set of these fabulous cafe kitchen curtains with the pottery and veggies all over them, like they're sitting on a shelf or something. You will get 4 of the long cafe style curtains, 4 of these, which you slip in your rod right here. They are 35 inches long and 28 inches wide. And then we have 2 valances, and they have the little pom-poms on the bottom. Aren't these fabulous? And they are 52 inches long and 10 inches tall. So you get 2 valances and 4 long curtain pieces. So 6 pieces total for $55, number 29. $55, number 29. Here we have a pair of king size pillowcases. King size. The tags have been ripped out. They feel crisp and clean like they've never been used. So I don't know the brand of them, but they're king size pillowcases, and for the pair is going to be $16, number 31. $16, number 31. Next I have up is this frame piece of pebble art. It is 33 inches long, 18.5 inches tall. It weighs about 8 pounds because the backing is on a piece of wood. This is a bark cloth that the pebble art is on. A nice pine looking frame. And let me show you the back. See, it's on a piece of bark cloth that is wrapped around a piece of wood. It's ready to hang. Beautiful piece of pebble art of flowers in a bow sitting on a table. And this will be $75, number 17. $75, number 17. And it will cost a little bit in shipping because it is 8 pounds already without being boxed up. Here we have a needlepoint owl and this beautiful orange background. Just love, love, love that. A nice wood oak frame. It is a 16 by 15. The frame is about 2 inches deep. And just look at those colors. So pretty. Love that little owl face. And the back is professionally done, ready to hang with a little bit of damage to the paper. The oak frame. So this needlepoint owl is going to be $22, number 33. $22, number 33. And here we have a piece of jewelry with a brooch and clip-on earrings. It is Coro Craft. The brooch is 3 inches long. The earrings are 1.5 inches. They are clip-ons. And there you'll see the signed coral. So for the silver tone coral brooch set of leaves will be $12, number 35. $12, number 35 for the coral set. Okay, that was everything. Now y'all be sure to jump on that train and stop at the next station at Miss Sugarbridge's Sweet Ass Stuff. And remember, I'm here every Wednesday at 7 Central, 8 Eastern, here for a live sale with David and I. And I hope to see y'all then. Until then, bye y'all. Thanks for coming.